Tired of missing those game-winning shots? Let's unlock how to watch live NBA games directly on your ESPN app. First, make sure you've downloaded the ESPN app from your App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have it, ensure it's updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, open the app and sign in using your ESPN account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one. It's quick and free. Now, for some NBA games, you'll need an ESPN subscription. This gives you access to a wide variety of live sports, including select NBA matchups not available on regular ESPN channels. Tap on the ESPN tab to explore subscription options and choose the plan that suits you best. Once you're logged in and subscribed if required, navigate to the schedule or watch section. Here, you'll find a list of upcoming and live NBA games. Look for the game you want to watch. Tap on the game listing, and the live stream should begin playing. Ensure your internet connection is stable for the best viewing experience. You can adjust the video quality in the settings if needed. If you're experiencing buffering or lag, try lowering the video quality or closing other apps that might be using bandwidth. Also, check the ESPN Help Center for common troubleshooting tips if needed. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy live NBA action on the ESPN app. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sports streaming tips.